I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a Google account and control over the site domain. Once confirmed, open the reCAPTCHA admin console and choose the correct type, V2, V3, or Enterprise, because each returns different token behavior. You will enter a label, add domains, and supply an owner email. This links the key to your site. Make sure to pick the right type now, since that decision changes integration code and security posture later. Once you submit the registration form, the console provides a site key and a secret key. The site key is public and used in client code, while the secret key stays server-side for verification. You should copy both immediately and save the secret key in an environment variable or secret manager, because exposing it allows bypasses. Make sure to whitelist your production domain to prevent misuse, and note expiration or quota settings if using Enterprise. You finish by inserting the site key into your page or widget and implement server-side verification, using the secret key to call Google's Verify endpoint. Once done, run test flows to ensure tokens validate and scores or responses meet your threshold. If verification fails, make sure the domain matches the registered domain, confirm you use the correct reCAPTCHA version keys, and inspect browser console/network errors. These checks quickly reveal misconfigurations or cores and quota problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.